Hello everyone, this is Jade. Today I will show you how to install our retail system. First of all, let's finish a 1x2 modular light box. This is our global patent structure. Just click the structure with the same number, so it can be assembled without any tools. We use SEG fabric, so just insert it in the groove, and it can be installed without any tools. Next, let's finish our retail system. So just insert this knob to the groove and insert this profile. We need to insert the profiles on both sides of the light box. Our retail system can add hanging rods and shelters and can be weighted from 10 to 20 kilograms. As you can see, it is easy to install. You can also add TV holders and literature holders on the both sides and other accessories. You can use our retail systems in trade show booths, supermarkets, and pop-up shops. Lintel provides one-stop service, no MOQ, free design, and quick installation. If you want to know more, please follow me.